How do I get started with WebRTC?
Oh, that's a tough one. I mean, for us, I mean, we've been doing WebRTC basically since the early days of WebRTC. So we learned it very organically. I mean, we are both coming from a related background. You from H323.
I came from video conferencing and protocol stacks and media processing. So that was like, okay, so there's this new thing called WebRTC, but it's just the old thing with a new shiny API on top. And there are a few more things that you need to understand, which are mostly concepts and not the whole thing. So it's a
Hmm.
lot easier.
Yes, I mean, for me, it was I came from signaling and media
Mhm.
servers, so it was like, okay, this WebRTC thing, okay, it's Google Stack, okay, I know the concepts, I applied them, but I
Yep.
still haven't stopped learning.
Yep. But
So
let's say you need to do it today. What then?
it's difficult. I mean, we've done the courses which give you a good framework. I mean, your architecture course is still super solid overview. We've done the networking courses if you are looking into the protocols, but for that, I wouldn't say that's for getting started because you don't get started by
Yep.
implementing WebRTC yourself. You
Yep.
first need to learn how to use it.
You can't see the forest from the trees.
Exactly. So you need to know, you need to understand the concepts first. Architecture
Mhm.
course is great for that. We have the code lab, which is now free,
Agree.
which is teaching you how to actually write code, because that was something that always annoyed me about the architecture course. It didn't tell you
Yeah.
how to write the code.
Yep.
And the code lab is basically, it's a very simple peer-to-peer app, not something you would use in production, because for multi-party you want to do a server, but that means you need to think about how you use the APIs in a very simple, minimal way. And then you can
And
expand
let's
from there.
say that's great. We have courses. They cost money. I don't want to pay. What should I do?
There is WebRTC for the Curious,
Mhm.
which is a free book. It's a good intro, but I wouldn't learn it that way. I read it
I
and it's like,
think I think because you compare it to the protocols courses that we have, that are just let's say a lot of details in them.
yes.
Okay. And then what I see is a lot of people that start by building some application, peer to peer, play with it, tinker with it, and then start moving and figuring out things from there.
Hmm.
I think that it works well, but it doesn't scale into group calling or into understanding how the architecture works or how media actually flows over the network. And
Yes.
for that, you will need to go and learn that somewhere. So
Yes.
you'll have to figure that out.
Yes. I mean, the problem is that you have what we also have in the code lab. You have these APIs. They work great,
Mhm.
but oh, what if they don't work? Then there's no real manual there.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.